Alright, so I ordered a surfboard there, and I got, where is it now? Oh, there's the other one here. I got two of these. They're supposed to be 1,000 watts, but I'll be even happy if they're just 500 watts each. But I think they actually might be close to 1,000 watts because just idle, like turning without anything on it, it's well over 100 watts. So I think it'll be alright. Speed controller. I'm going to see if I can get a waterproof wireless one and just tie them in series. Here's the other one. Let's see if I can prop this camera up so you guys can see. Alright, so I got you propped up there. And let's go. It's got all kinds of settings. So there's low. And this speed controller, I believe, is what's holding it back, because they say you can get a 36-volt model, which would give it more power. But I think that's at higher RPMs. I don't know if it's going to change the torque. Let's take that little wire out. This is like the start switch type deal. Anyways, I'm going to put two of these suckers on a surfboard. I'm going to build a little housing thing around it so I can't get my leg all cut up in here, because I think that would hurt. Anyways, see how that goes. They're fairly cheap, so if it doesn't work all that well, I'll just have something that doesn't go very fast. But I mean, if this can get me, I don't know, 10, 15 kilometers per hour, I'll be happy. If I can go faster than that, I would like to go 20 kilometers per hour with this. And if I can get that fast, I'll be super happy. I believe these are about 1 horsepower each, approximately, maybe a little bit more. Or a little bit less. So if I can get 2 horsepower on it, I think that'll get me quite a bit of power. Anyways, just a sneak peek. Hey guys, how's it going? It's going off grid. We got another package from Battery Hookup. This is going in conjunction with, I don't know if I showed you guys yet, but we got this 1.25 horsepower electric motor, variable speed, and we got 2. That is now 2.5 horsepower, and I am going to be installing those on the surfboard. And they're about 1,000 watts each, approximately, so it'll be 2,000 watts. And this is what I'm hoping is going to power it. It's, well, you'll see what it is. Let's open her up. Okay, let's see what's in here. I have not opened this yet, so we will see. Need a knife again. Uh-oh, missed one. Missed another one. Alright. Well, they must go through a lot of packing material because, holy smokes, look at it all. This box is half filled with packing material. There we go. It's a small little module. That's actually perfect. Let me get this out of here. So this small little battery here, this thing is awesome. This thing is actually really small, a lot smaller than I was anticipating. It's got some aluminum on the tops and bottoms surrounding it. And I take it I gotta pop all these sides off to see what the cells look like. Let's see if I can do that with one hand, or is this gonna be another time to put down the camera type deal? No, this seems to come off fairly easy. Spin that around. Do the same thing on the other side. Just a few clips. Now I did pay for this myself. This was not sent to me. Just because I needed something for my electric surfboard build. Okay. So we got, this is the main positive or negative. A ton of little cells in here. Holy smokes. Looks like 2P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8S. So 2 parallel 8S. This is an 8S battery. That is what I ordered. This is so this is essentially a 24 volt system. It's a little bit high voltage for 24 volts just because it's an 8S. It should be more like a 7S, but that's okay. Looks like it has some balance wires that they cut off, which is fine. I can just solder new ones on. But it's rather heavy. I will say it's heavy. So this might be too heavy for my build. I might have to go with these LiPo pouch cells and just buy a bunch of them. But if this works, I'll be very happy because this here is 2 kilowatt hours. So that should give me a good length of run time on the electric surfboard. Once I get it going, I should at least get, I would say on high, I should get about half hour to an hour run time. And that'll be pretty good for me. I'm pretty sure I'll be tuckered out by the time the battery's dead. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just an update on what I've been up to.